The Dukan Diet is a high-protein, low-carbohydrate dietary plan developed by French general practitioner and nutritionist, Dr. Pierre Dukan. This diet is designed to be followed through 4 stages, each with distinct phases that aim to help you lose weight and maintain your target weight long-term. It emphasizes eating protein-rich foods while significantly cutting out carbohydrates and fats. The first stage, known as the attack phase, lasts 5 to 10 days and includes eating lean protein sources such as chicken, turkey, fish, and non-fat dairy. You are also encouraged to drink plenty of water and exercise moderately during this phase. The second stage, called the cruise phase, involves alternating days of consuming lean protein and non-starchy vegetables like spinach and broccoli. This phase can last several months depending on the amount of weight you wish to lose. The consolidation phase is the third stage, and it is designed to prevent rebound weight gain. You gradually reintroduce whole grains, fruits, and cheese into your diet while continuing to have one pure protein day each week. This phase also includes 2 celebration meals per week, where you can eat whatever you like. The stabilization phase is the final stage and is intended to be followed for life. In this phase, you continue the habits learned throughout the diet plan. You are advised to continue having one pure protein day each week, consume 3 tablespoons of oat bran daily, and engage in regular physical activity. The Dukan diet has been met with both praise and criticism. Proponents argue that it offers a structured approach to weight loss that can lead to quick results. However, detractors point out the potential for nutritional deficiencies due to the restricted intake of carbohydrates and fats.